Good morning, witches. Jessica back to talk about a let it go ritual during this full snow moon in Leo. It is the best time to get rid of something that does not serve you. Are you ready? The items you're going to need is a plain white paper and a black pen or marker so you can write down what you want to get rid of, a fireproof dish to burn it in, and a black candle to light it. You can substitute white if need be. Step 1 is to gather your necessary items and make sure to write down what you really want to get rid of. If you don't really want to get rid of it, it's probably not going to go away. Step 2 is to take a ritual bath. This is optional. I do suggest it, however, it's not necessary. If you're not sure how, I'll make sure I leave a link for you right up there at the top. Step 3. Set up your altar or sacred space however you normally would and lay out everything you have after your ritual bath. Now that you have everything set up, open ritual like you normally would by calling deity or whatever is most comfortable for you. Light your black candle, and while you're lighting it, make sure you're thinking of getting rid of what you're trying to get rid of. Take your white paper that you've written that thing on and you light it from the black candle. Drop it into the fire-safe bowl and watch the smoke rise. As the smoke rises, just know that it's going off to the skies and leaving you. I want to make a quick note here that if it's not something you wanted to get rid of, it's probably not going to burn very easily. So be clear about what your intentions are. Alright, last step, step 5. Now that you've burned up your negative that wasn't serving you, you are going to take a few minutes and visualize what your life is like, how it feels, and how much better it is without it. And then you can close circle and be all done by scattering those ashes to the wind to never come back and never be seen again by you. Alright, witches, I'm going to get out of here and go get myself ready for my full moon ritual. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope that you'll leave me a comment down below and let me know how it goes for you. We'll talk soon. See you later, witches.